Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have the January Mani by Me box. This is the subscription box from Maniology. And yes, I did take a little peek at what, or not in the box, but on the Instagram, and it's like cats and books, I think, something like that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a look here. Oh, so cute. So this is the little card here. So perfect prose or prose. Curl up with a good book, a warm cat, and extra cozy stamping goodies. Get ready to hit the stacks. Each plate is brimming with literary delights and adorable cats loafing in every nook. So the first polish we get is called Catnap B503. It's a light caramel orange with a cream finish. And then Literary Classic B502, light gray stamping polish with a cream finish. And then our bonus gift for the month, for this month, is Lustrous Bronze Metallic Nail Powder. All right, cool. And then they always put an inspo card here just to give some ideas. A lot of reverse stamping here. And then you can follow the steps. They use a sponge to do an ombre. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open the goodies here. So nail art pen. Oh, let's look at the sticker first. Polish powered. That's so cute, the little sloth. Super cute. So we'll look at the powder here. Oh, so this is one of those pen ones. Oh, okay. So remove the powder pen cap using the sponge. Rub the powder onto an old stamper head. Do not apply onto a polished nail as it will cause dents in the wet polish. Once your nail polish is semi-tacky, stamp the powder onto the nail. Oh, you put it on a stamp, yeah, an old stamper, and then, oh, okay. Yeah, I've done that with other kinds of glitters. I want nothing to come flying out. Oh, I think you unscrew it. My bad. Oh, that's pretty. So yeah, it's like a gold color here. That's pretty. And then we'll look at the polishes. Oh, how pretty. Oh, this is a different color. I don't have anything like this. So this is Catnap. Oh, this is a pretty, like an orangey kind of a brown. Really pretty. I don't have a color like that. And then we get Literary Classic. This is a pretty gray. Very pretty gray. I do have a color similar, but it's not exactly. I need to shake it though. Oh yeah, this is darker. Smoke Show. Oh yeah, this is, yeah, the one we get in this month is lighter, and then I have the darker. I think this was from the Halloween, the box. All right, and so we'll go ahead and take a look at the plates. Let me see which one's first. So this is 119. So MXM 119. Look how cute that is. Sorry, my one, I don't know. Looks like it's blurry over there. Oh, look how cute. Keep calm and read on. My weekend is all booked. Oh, that's cute. Can't judge a book by its cover. There's a book for every situation. A book a day keeps reality away. Oh, that's cute. Treat your shelf. Oh my god, look at the kitty. Oh, that's just adorable. Something different. I love it. MXM 120. Oh, look it. Books and coffee. So it's got like cappuccino, little muffins, little books. Oh, this is super cute. Like nighttime little bedtime stories. More coffee. Oh my gosh, these are cute. Book nerd, cats, coffee, and books. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. Oh, I love it. Oh, love it. How cute is that? All right, so yes, these are the goodies that we get here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff ready, and I always swatch my polishes here. We'll take a look at this, and then I'll get my practice hand, and we'll also do a little set. So I'll be right back. All right, so just gonna go ahead and remove the blue film. All right, so I have my practice hand ready here. The color I used is called Naked Guy, and it's just like a beigey color. And then for my stamping polishes, of course, I'm going to use the two that came in the box. But then I also want to use these colors. I just want to keep them kind of like warm kind of colors. So yeah, I'm going to be using those two, and then we have Dusk, Pine, and Sonnet. So yeah, chrome powder to use. So they said to use an old stamper. This is the one I always use when I do glitters, because it has rips in it, but that's what they said to use, you know, to use an old stamper. So I'm just going to make sure it's wiped off, and then so that does have a tacky layer because I cured it, but I didn't put any top coat or anything. And then they said just to take the, I don't know, do you do that? Yeah, I think so. And then to put it all over the, so I don't know if you're supposed to, yeah, I think you, because look, it looks like the color's inside of there. And then just put it on, I guess. Okay, I think that should be good. So let's see how this goes here. I don't know if it's gonna cover the whole thing completely or not, but we'll see. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I do need to put some around the cuticle. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna take an old top coat that I have so it doesn't get contaminated, you know. Oh, you guys, I just can't get over how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take Acorn, and I'm just gonna try, I'm still deciding, I don't know which one I want to use. This one's cute, I think, with the little coffee beans. So I think I'm gonna do that. Let me scoot this over. Cause yeah, I want to have that as the background. Oh my gosh, gosh, look at that. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. Oh, you know what? You know what? I gotta put my sticky base. Alright, so I'm going to put some of the smudge-free top coat. Alright, so I went ahead and applied my sticky base, so I'm going to go in with Can't Judge a Book by Its Cover, and I'm going to use Sonnet, this color here. Okay, I don't like that one for some reason. So I'm going to take some acetone and see if I can... Alright, so now I'm going to go in and just do a couple of these little paw prints, and we're going to use the literary classic. I don't know why I can't say that name. I'm going to use this little, it's called a pencil stamper. I got it from Maniology, and oh my gosh, it's just so super cute and little. I love it. It came in one of the boxes. I think it was maybe the Christmas box, I think it was. But yeah, it's perfect to do these tiny little paw prints. The only thing is you can't see through it. You know, like you can line up to see through your other smaller little stampers. So yeah, you just gotta kind of look at where you're gonna put it, and hopefully you put it in the right place. But because yeah, I did have one that didn't come out good. I didn't show it. I just showed a couple here. So yeah, now we're going to go on. I'm just going to do these little coffee beans right at the end of the nail. And that acorn color is perfect for the little coffee beans. Just wanted to add something to the nail. So for the index finger, I want to do this one. I'm going to do some reverse stamping. the outline I'm going to do in the acorn. I want to put this book nerd right under it. We're going to use the cat nap. I'm gonna go in and see if I can just get books and cats. Life is good. All right, so my phone had died as soon as I was gonna put this on. My phone had died. But yeah, books and cats, life is good. I'm gonna put the smudge-free top coat. Okay, so I just smudged it. I was cleaning up and I hit it with my sleeve and I smudged it. Oh my gosh. Yep, so now I have to do it over. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is the finished set here and I think it came out so cute. You guys, please check out the Mani by Me box. It's a subscription box. It's $25 a month, or I do it quarterly where I pay about $22 a month. They take out, you know, the payment every 3 months. It's so worth it. You get 2 plates, 2 polishes, and a freebie every month. So yes, please check them out. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.